Fine, let us start solving the problem based on 2016 maths paper, right? Let us check out this. Form the smallest and greatest 6-digit numerals by repeating any 2 digits from 7, 9, 5, 4. They have given the 4 digits, that is 7, 9, 5 and 4. Now we are supposed to do, form the smallest number and as well as greatest number, right? Greatest number, smallest number and greatest number. Let us do that. So let us start with a small digit here, that is 4. I can repeat any 2 digits, so I am going to repeat the 4 itself, 4 4, then I'll go with 5 5 and then 7 9. This is going to become the smallest number which we can form by using the 4 digits, that is 7 9 5 4, with repeating 2 digits, that is 4 and 5. Now if I want to go with the biggest or greatest number, then I'll take this, that will become 9 9 7 7 and 5 4. The answer is this. Hope you understood, right?